Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we provide you with tips and tricks to improve your productivity and efficiency. Today we'll be discussing how to study more in less time. So, if you're a student struggling to manage your study load, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Create a study plan. Creating a study plan is essential to make the most of your study time. It allows you to set clear goals, prioritize your tasks, and create a schedule that works for you. Start by identifying your most important assignments or exams and creating a list of the topics you need to cover. Then, break down these topics into smaller, manageable tasks, and assign a time frame for each one. This will help you to stay organized and ensure that you cover all the material in a timely manner. Tip 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a popular time management method that can help you stay focused and productive while studying. It involves working in focused blocks of 25 minutes, followed by a short break of 5 minutes. After 4 cycles, you can take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. This technique helps you to maintain your focus and avoid burnout by breaking down your work into manageable chunks. Tip 3. Use active learning techniques. Active learning involves engaging with the material, rather than just passively reading or listening to it. Some effective active learning techniques include taking notes, summarizing key concepts, creating mind maps or diagrams, and discussing the material with others. Active learning has been shown to improve memory retention and understanding of the material, making it a great way to study more efficiently. Tip 4. Eliminate distractions. Distractions are one of the biggest obstacles to effective studying. To avoid distractions, it's important to create a study environment that is free from distractions. This can include turning off your phone or putting it on silent mode, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and studying in a quiet place. There are also apps and tools available that can help you stay focused, such as productivity timers, noise-cancelling headphones, and website blockers. Tip 5. Take care of yourself. Taking care of yourself is essential for effective studying. Make sure to get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat healthy meals. Taking breaks and engaging in activities you enjoy can also help you stay motivated and productive. It's important to remember that studying is just one part of your life, and taking care of your overall well-being can help you to study more efficiently and effectively. So, these are our top tips for studying more in less time. Remember, it's not about how much time you spend studying, but how effectively you use that time. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more productivity-related content. Thanks for watching.